In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Amazon Music from Alexa. If you no longer want Alexa to use Amazon Music when you ask for songs, playlists, or stations, the main thing you need to do is change Alexa's default music service. This tells Alexa which app or platform to use first whenever you make a general music request. And it's the easiest way to move away from Amazon Music. To get started, open the Alexa app on your device. Once you're in the app, go to More. Then tap Settings. From there, look for Music and Podcasts. This section controls the music services connected to your Alexa account, along with the default options Alexa follows when you ask it to play something. Next, tap Default Services. Under the Music section, choose your preferred service instead of Amazon Music. This could be Spotify, Apple Music, or another supported music provider that you already use. Once you select your preferred service, Alexa should start using that service by default for most music commands. This means when you say something simple like asking Alexa to play music, it should pull from the service you selected rather than Amazon Music. If Alexa still uses Amazon Music from time to time, don't worry, because that can happen. Some users notice that even after changing the default service, Alexa occasionally falls back to Amazon Music. If that happens, first make sure your preferred service is properly linked in the Alexa app and that it's set as the default for all profiles, not just one. This is important, especially if multiple people use the same Alexa setup. You can also be more specific when speaking to Alexa. For example, instead of giving a general play command, say something like, "Alexa, play music on Spotify," or "Alexa, play on Apple Music." Adding the service name directly into your request can help Alexa use the correct platform more consistently. One important thing to keep in mind is that Amazon Music is deeply integrated with Alexa. Because of that, it may not always be possible to completely remove Amazon Music from Alexa's available music options. However, by changing the default music service and making sure your preferred platform is linked correctly, you can usually make Alexa rely on your chosen service instead. That's all you need to do to reduce or replace Amazon Music on Alexa and make your preferred music app the one Alexa uses first.